we need to do without proof. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
statement of Cayley-Hamilton theorem is Cayley-Hamilton theorem states that polynomial
Yes, ma'am.
PA is equal to a to the power n plus an into here an minus 1 into a to the power n minus 1 plus up to a1 into capital A plus a0 into I is equal to 0, where A is any square matrix. A is any square matrix. And and an minus 1 a, or we can write dash 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 a1 a0 are constant. How can we find this polynomial? The characteristics. How can we find this above polynomial? This I'm telling you. Okay, wait for a while.
Ma'am.
So characteristic polynomial, since
Ma'am, in this, we need to find characteristic equation first.
yes, characteristic equation first. Yes, polynomial. So let us know characteristic polynomial P lambda. क्योंकि characteristic equation either characteristic polynomial we find for lambda for eigenvalues. So
Yes, ma'am.
since characteristic polynomial is P lambda is equal to determinant of A minus lambda into I.
Yes,
Got it?
ma'am.
We
Yes,
have,
ma'am, I got them.
yes, where lambda is eigenvalue. Lambda is eigenvalue.
Yes, ma'am.
So if we put lambda is equal to A in characteristics polynomial, then we will get this polynomial. Okay, this one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
So put lambda is equal to A to find PA. Because we are taking in a seat of lambda, we are taking A. Okay. And you can find.
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, we need to find characteristic polynomial in lambda. Then we will put lambda is equal to A and we'll take it as. Okay. Take it as is
ma'am.
equal to 0. Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then we can find inverse also. How?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us do one question to understand this well.
Yes, ma'am. I can do most of the part in this Kelly Hamilton, but I need to know how to find inverse after that.
Sure, sure, sure. We will do. Okay. So let us do
Okay,
one
ma'am.
question. So how can you find A inverse? Right?
Yes,
Let us
ma'am.
do. Since we have done already PA is equal to 0 by using
Yes, ma'am.
Cayley-Hamilton theorem,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
PA is equal to, and PA is equal to an a to the power n plus an minus 1 coefficients, constant values, and
Ma'am.
plus up to a1 into a plus a0 into I. Okay, this is equal to, so now let us put this is equal to 0 because PA is equal to 0. That means this entire value is 0. So let us take it. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am. I get it.
So then an a to the power n plus an minus 1 into a to the power n minus 1 plus up to a1 a plus a0 into I is equal to 0. So when we take like matrix form, then this 0 will be 0 matrix. Okay. This will be 0 matrix because we are taking A as a matrix. So let us take O here. Okay. O. And here also this 0, or we can take it as, see here, this is, we can take 0 matrix or null matrix as, and which is denoted by O. Remember 0 matrix,
Yeah.
like we will take all elements as 0, 0. Remember, according to order of A. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am. I getting.
Okay. So now let us multiply this entire equation by multiplying A inverse. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Multiply to find A inverse, multiply entire equation by A inverse. So multiply above equation by A inverse. Okay. Give me few
Yes, ma'am.
seconds. I'm just opening verified question also to do,
Okay.
because I have opened for eigenvalues of 3 by 3. So give me few seconds. So now let us multiply A inverse on both sides. So when we multiply A inverse with this O means 0 matrix, then we will get O itself. Because as you know, when we multiply any number with 0, then we will get 0. So it will be same as, and let us multiply with this on left side.
Okay.
So AN into A inverse, or we can take it as A to the power N into A inverse as, okay? Or we can take before also, okay? So not to worry. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am, I'm getting it.
Okay. And here, AN, we can see. I'm telling you one more thing. So where AN is 0, where AN is equal to 1 always, okay? There will be, see, here this AN will be 0. So we will take it as, I'm telling you, writing you here, this cells, and can write PA is equal to A to the power N plus, because AN is 1, okay, always,
Yes, ma'am.
AN will be 1. So A to the power N plus AN minus 1 into A to the power N minus 1 plus up to A1 A plus A0 into I is equal to O. We will get this by taking AN is equal to 0. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will use this further. So now let us take this accordingly. We are taking here AN is equal to 0.
Yes,
Sorry, 1. AN is equal to 1. So it will be A to the power N and A to the power N minus 1, and further we have AN and A0. Now let us multiply this with A inverse, entire equation, then plus or can multiply as also on left side also, okay? Not to worry, you can multiply anywhere. So A inverse into A to the power N plus AN minus 1. This is we are taking into A inverse into A to the power N minus 1 plus up to AN A inverse into A plus A0 into A inverse into identity matrix is equal to A inverse into 0 matrix. So we can write this as A to the power N minus 1 plus AN minus 1 into A to the power N minus 2. Are you getting me? Because we are adding powers. In multiplication, we add the powers. Are you getting me?
yes, ma'am, I'm getting it. We're adding powers.
Plus AN into A to the power 0 plus A0 into, when we multiply, see, identity means having elements 1, 1, 1. So when when we multiply any matrix, see, when we multiply this with identity matrix, then we will get same as. Remember always, okay? When we multiply any with the identity, then we will get same it as. Is equal to, when we multiply any number with 0, because this is 0 matrix, then we will get 0 itself. Now we need to find this A inverse. This A inverse.
Yes, ma'am.
This. So its formula will be, or you can use direct formula also. See, because we
Okay.
need it. So take entire, this entire on right side, this entire on right side. So
Yes, ma'am.
A0 into A inverse is equal to minus A to the power n minus 1 plus A n minus 1 into A to the power n minus 2 plus up to A1 only into identity, because A to the power 0 means its value is 1. 1 means in matrix we take identity mat. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to find A inverse, then it will be minus A to the power n minus 1 plus A n minus 1 into A to the power n minus 2 and plus up to A1 into identity matrix over A0.
Okay.
Got it? This is formula
Yes.
to find A inverse by using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So main formulas we have, I'm telling you, this is to find A inverse, and this is main formula of Cayley-Hamilton theorem. This is.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
this is also. By using above PA, we can express this equation. Okay. Or
Okay,
this is
ma'am.
characteristic equation above. By using this is characteristic equation, characteristic polynomial. And when we put this is equal to 0, then it will become equation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let us do one question to understand this well. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'll give you one more question for you to do. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I will do.
So first of all, we will do for 2 by 2. Okay. Because they'll give you, obviously, most probably you will see your assignment, or they'll give you in college also, or you can see past paper pattern. So in Cayley-Hamilton theorem, they give most probably 2 by 2 because it's too lengthy. That is why. For 3 by 3, it's too lengthy. So you will see most probably they'll give you of 2 by 2.
Okay,
First
ma'am.
of all, we will do of 2 by 2. If you will see in past paper or in class, if they are doing for 3 by 3, then we will do accordingly. Method is same. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Only difference of like in 3 by 3, we will have matrix of 3 by 3 only. Okay. So let us do
Yes.
a question.
Ma'am, in my college, my sir was practicing 3 into 3. That's why I said,
It's okay. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors, they can give you of 3 by 3, but for Cayley-Hamilton theorem, it would be like rarely, because it's too lengthy. For 2 by 2 also. 3 by 2, it's like too much lengthy. You will see. Okay. See.
okay, ma'am.
Right now we are doing for 2 by 2. If they'll give you of 3 by 3, then certainly we will do. Okay. Just confirm tomorrow if they'll give you, or they gave you already, or in past paper if you have, then certainly we will do for 3 by 3. Okay. So if
Okay, ma'am.
A is equal to uh, just just few seconds. I'm opening the verified question, because we can't take random question for these topics. Okay. So questions should be verified because in other topic we can take random question also, but in eigenvalues and eigenvectors we need to take verified questions. So I'm just opening. Yes. So A is given that having elements 4, 6, 1, 5. Find eigenvalues first of all. Okay. Then
Okay, ma'am.
verified Cayley-Hamilton theorem.
Ma'am, we will do Cayley-Hamilton theorem by the same matrix you have given.
Yes, yes. Because for Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we need characteristic equation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
So
ma'am.
that is why we need to find this. Even you want to find eigenvalues, then you can find. Otherwise, we can take this directly Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay. But
Yes,
we
ma'am.
need to form characteristic equation. It is must.
Yes, ma'am.
Verified verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem.
Yes, ma'am.
Milton theorem and also find A inverse.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us do. First of all, let us find uh, characteristic equation. Okay, then we will put value of A over there to
Yes,
verify
ma'am.
Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So
Okay, ma'am.
to find PA for Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we need P lambda. This okay, characteristic
Okay.
polynomial. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am. I am getting.
Okay. So first of all, let us find P lambda. So let us find characteristic polynomial. Characteristic polynomial is P lambda is equal to A minus lambda into
I.
I. Determinant of this.
Yes, madam.
So let us do it. So first of all, let us find this matrix. This matrix. Then we will find determinant.
Yes, madam.
So A minus lambda into I is equal to, let us take A. A is having elements 4, 5, 1, 6. 4, 5, 1, 6. Minus lambda into identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1.
Yes, madam.
You will see this of 2 by 2, it's too lengthy. And for 3 by 3, you know very well, it will be more lengthy.
Yes, madam.
So now 4, 5, 1, 6. Let us multiply lambda inside. So we will have lambda 0, 0, lambda. Now we will subtract corresponding elements of this matrix from this. So 4 minus lambda, 5 minus 0, 1 minus 0, and 6 minus lambda.
Yes, madam.
So it will be, now let us find its determinant. Because for polynomial, we need its determinant. So let us find 4 minus lambda, 5, and there's no need to write minus 0 also, because when we subtract 0 from any number, then we will get number itself, right? 5 minus 0 is 5, 1 minus 0 is 1. So we can write as also. Okay.
Yes,
So
madam.
now let us find a determinant. So 4 minus lambda into 6 minus lambda minus 1 into 5. So 4 into 6, 24 we have. Minus 4 into lambda, 4 lambda minus lambda into 6, 6 lambda, and minus lambda into lambda plus lambda square. Minus
Yes, madam.
5. So we will have here 19 and minus 10 lambda plus lambda square. This is. You got?
Yes, madam, I
Now
got it.
we can write in a order. How? Determinant of A minus lambda into I is equal to lambda square minus 10 lambda and plus 19.
19.
Okay. So now find PA. Sorry, P lambda first of all write down. So P lambda is this. Okay.
Yes,
P lambda is lambda square minus 10 lambda plus 19. Put lambda by using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. By Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Put lambda is equal to A. Put, and you can mention this as equation 1. Put lambda is equal to A in first.
yes, madam.
Or so PA is equal to A square minus 10A plus 19 into A. Sorry, 19 into I, because with constant value, we multiply identity matrix. Remember?
Yes. Yes, ma'am, I remember.
Yes. So this is correct, which is characteristic polynomial.
Yes, ma'am.
By Cayley-Hamilton theorem. This must be equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am.
PA is equal to 0. It means A square minus 10A plus 19 into identity matrix is equal to 0 matrix. So let LHS, left hand side, which is A square minus 10A plus 19 into identity matrix. Let us take it. So A square means A into A, right? So let us take. So A, we have, oh, let me check. A is 4, 5, 1, 6. Okay, elements we have 4, 5, 1, 6. Into 4, 5, 1, 6. Minus 10 into A. A is having element 4, 5, 1, 6. Plus 19 into identity matrix. You got? So just
Yes, ma'am,
multiply
I
these
got.
matrices. Multiply row with column, with first column, then with second column. 4,